In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Pay for kids. By the end, you'll have your child ready to use Apple Cash under your supervision, and you'll understand the key prompts you'll see along the way. Start on your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the very top, tap your Apple ID, the section that shows your account details. This is where family sharing lives, and it's the place that lets you manage features for everyone in your household. Once you're in, select Family. If you've never used it before, think of family sharing as your hub for organizing parental controls, purchases, and Apple Cash for kids, all from your own device. Next, add your child's account. In the Family section, tap the plus icon in the top right and choose Create Child Account. Follow the prompts to enter your child's details. Apple guides you through age-appropriate settings, so read each screen and confirm what's right for your family. Take your time with things like birth date and parental permissions. These help apply the correct protections. When you finish this part, your child will be added to your family. Now head to the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you'll set up Apple Cash for your child. Inside Wallet, tap Apple Cash. You should see an option to set up. Go ahead and select Setup. Apple Cash for Kids works under your oversight, making it great for allowances, chores, and teaching budgeting in a safe way. When you're prompted, tap Continue and confirm with Face ID on your device. This securely authorizes you as the organizer of the family. If your iPhone asks for your passcode or other confirmation, that's normal. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your region and account status, you may see a few quick terms and acknowledgments. Review them and proceed. Complete the setup by continuing through the guided steps on your screen. Apple will finalize the connection between your child's account and Apple Cash. When it's done, your child will be ready to use Apple Cash with the safeguards you've put in place. You'll be able to view activity and manage settings from your device whenever you need. Quick recap so you can remember the flow. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, go to Family, create a child account, then open Wallet, choose Apple Cash, tap Setup, and confirm with Face ID. That's the entire process from start to finish. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.